We're off to a great start. Let's review what we've covered so far. You've learned that social media marketing can benefit your campaigns because it can help you achieve goals like increasing brand awareness, targeting new customers, and building relationships with existing ones, and generating leads. You've learned about the 5 core pillars that help guide a successful social media campaign: strategy, planning and publishing, listening and engagement, analytics and reporting, and paid social media. We discussed the benefits of implementing earned, owned, and paid social media into your strategy. You've learned that earned social media is marketing generated by your customers. Owned social media allows you to control the conversation surrounding your brand. And paid social media allows you to reach consumers who are not searching for your brand. And you've explored strategies for guiding potential customers through the marketing funnel using social media, such as capturing your target audience's attention through targeted content and paid ads in the awareness stage, providing customers with more detailed information to help build their trust in the consideration stage, capitalizing on the interest people have already shown by remarketing to them in the conversion stage, and nurturing the relationship with customers in the loyalty stage. Although social media is a rapidly changing marketing channel, the principles and the tactics that you'll learn in this course can help guide your thinking, even as the field progresses. Coming up, we'll discuss the first 2 pillars of social media marketing: strategy and planning and publishing.